Situation as of now is it has improved. I think by tomorrow they should be ready. They should be clear. There are no issues. But then now my stand in the HPC is very clear. You seal the dump, start segregation of garbage, start treating the garbage or face stir. That's it.
Suppose they are not bringing proper segregated garbage,
We will stop it.
Continuously
Yes.
stop.
It is a legal process. It is to be stopped legally, nothing illegal.
They have to bring segregated waste.
Yes,
to the
they have to give and treat it on top. Not only bring, because see what has happened on top in the plant. The plant is totally, go and take visuals and see what is happening in the plant. Go and take, please take visuals.
We are monitoring this situation 24 hours. Full day and night, some of our volunteers are monitoring the situation, and we are going to stop unsegregated garbage from coming and going to this dump. Now, whatever efforts they are doing, I don't think there is any improvement. There is all smoke all over the place, and just sprinkling water on this, I don't think will of any use. Secondly, our complaint. We are firm with the complaint. We'll follow it up. We'll go to the last authority in this country so that the culprits get booked, so that this type of things do not occur again. We will see that the damage that they have caused to the people has to be there. They have to be punished for this, because the Constitution assures us to breathe pure air. It's a fundamental right, and this right has been infringed upon. So we demand strict action against the chairperson and the CEO of Margao Municipal Council, and also the Director of Municipal Administration, Mr. Tariq Thomas. He has to take these people to task, because they come under him. We see him coming and dousing fire here like a fire. He's not a fire force. He is not belong to the state fire force to come and douse the fire here. He is supposed to issue letters, memos to these people, and order MMC not to clear any new licenses for multi-dwellings, because they can't handle the present garbage. This is our demand, and we will follow it up till the end.
Today the HPCC meeting is there. What do you all expect from it?
See, well, there have been a lot of HPCC meetings in the past, but I don't think they are very serious about this matter. Unless the people are taken into confidence. What does this now? So far, this fire, last year also, some years back, there was a fire here. There were HPC meetings. What they have done? They appointed this Fomento Green so that this dump had to come down. This dump is going up. So it clearly shows that HPC meeting is a failure. They are doing nothing. They just take big. But of course, the new Chief Minister, we have hope on him. The new Chief Minister is a young Chief Minister, a young and dynamic guy. We have hope on him. And we are going to we are planning to meet him up shortly. We want to fix up a meeting with him and apprise him of the actual situation on the ground. So, and until and unless the guy who is supposed to take care of the garbage is serious about it, this will not improve. And I think this Fomento Green has to go from here. He is inviting the wrath of the people on him unnecessary. So he should